Tumira ng 3 number 4, wala. Nakuha ni Harvey. Pinasa kay number 7. Diretso. 2 points. Pass to number 9. Tumira ng 3. Sobra. Nakuha ng Zone 6. Nakuha ni Jams. Number 3. Sa kanya na naman pinasa sa kapilang team. Pinasa sa kapilang team again. Number 2. Ayaw. Pinasa kay Lutol. Number 10, tumira, wala, rebound by number 11, who's pa? Utak, tumira, sayang, rebound by, nakuha ng number 3 ng kabila. And number 3, pinasay number 7, drives to the basket, wala, rebound by number 11 ng kabila. Pinasay number 4, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Good number 7, pass number 3. Tumatakbo na naman ang Zone 6. Easy 2 points for number 11 takes the 3. Wala, rebound by number 5. 10 to shoot. Pass number 4, takes the shot. 3 points. Pass number 6. Shots. Ayaw. Dumidiskarte. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Nagkakatakitan. Ayaw. Pass to Bedoy. Pinasa kay Asares, tumira ng 3. Joshua, pass to number 10, pinasa kay number 4. Tumira ng 2. Wala, rin kay number 8, nagkatabi na nakuha ng number 10 ng kabila. Joshua, tumira ng 2, 14, wala. Nakuha ni Jams, pass to number 8. Tumatakbo ang zone. Oh! Good three by number 6 now. Good three by number 3. 14 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Pass number 6. Pass number 2. Takes the 3. Number 2. Wala. Number 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 4 na kabila. Tumawag. Pass number 2. Pass number 2. Pass 2 points. Kylie, pass to Ayo. Muntik pa mo nga ng bola, nagkatabi ka nakuha ni Ayo. Oh! Nakuha ni Maliban. Wow! Who's pa? To shoot. Ganda ng pasahan. 2 points. Ayo. 15 to shoot. Pass to Asares. 10 to shoot. Ikot-ikot. Tumira 2 points. Pass to number 5. Wala na. Rebound by Ayo. Number 8. Kylie. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Pinas sa kabila. Nakuha ni Ayo. Paul. Marky. Pass to number 7. 2 points. Joshua, tumira ng 3. 3 points. Mark. Pass to Kylie. Takes the 3. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Nakuha ni Panganiban 2 points. Dumidiskarte. Wala. Rebound by Ayo. Kylie. Tumira ng 2 points. 2 points. Ayo to, 2 points. Number 5, pass number 8. Libre, 2 points. Pass to Panganiban. Oh! Offensive foul. Number 10. Number 11. Tumira ng 3. Pinahali. isa